Hello everyone, here is a question. If given the absolute value A is equal to 5, the absolute value B is equal to 3, and the absolute value A minus B is equal to B minus A, then what is the value of A plus B? Then how to solve this question? Let's start from the first condition. Given absolute value A is equal to 5, that means A can only be two things, positive 5 or negative 5. Then let's check the second condition. If absolute value B is equal to 3, also means B can only be two things, positive 3 or negative 3. Then let's check the third condition. The third condition, that's just absolute value of A minus B is equal to B minus A. Then, because any absolute value is bigger than or equal to 0, so that means B minus A is bigger than or equal to 0. Okay, so then if we solve this inequality, both sides plus A, then we have this one. So that means B is bigger than or equal to A. So this one gives us connection between A and B. Because we have values for A and B, so let's check which cases satisfy this inequality. So now let's check it. Okay, so let's see. The first case, B equals 3. So if B equal to 3, then compare 3 with A. 3 is only bigger than negative 5. So here we can only put A is negative 5. Then let's check the second condition, B equal negative 3. Also compare with A here. So negative 3 is only bigger than negative 5. So here A is also equal to negative 5. Okay, so now we are ready to figure out what is the value of A plus B. So then what's the value of A plus B? Then we have two cases. The first one, just here, that's just negative 5 plus 3. The second case, negative 5 plus negative 3. Then simplify. So this one equal negative 2. This one, negative 8. So that's why negative 2 and negative 8 are the answers for A plus B. Thanks for watching. See you next time.